opacity and blend modes. Specify opacity for a layer or group. A layer's opacity determines to what degree it obscures or reveals the layer beneath it. A layer with 1% opacity appears nearly transparent, whereas one with 100% opacity appears completely opaque. 1. Select a layer or group in the Layers panel. 2. Do one of the following. In the Layers panel, enter a value in the opacity text box or drag the opacity pop-up slider. Choose Layer, Layer Style, Blending options. Enter a value in the opacity text box or drag the opacity pop-up slider. Select the Move tool and type a number indicating the percentage of opacity. Blending modes. Specify a blending mode for a layer or group. A layer's blending mode determines how its pixels blend with underlying pixels in the image. You can create a variety of special effects using blending modes. By default, the blending mode of a layer group is pass-through, which means that the group has no blending properties of its own. When you choose a different blending mode for a group, you effectively change the order in which the image components are put together. All of the layers in the group are put together first. The composite group is then treated as a single image and blended with the rest of the image using the selected blending mode. Thus, if you choose a blending mode other than pass-through for the group, none of the adjustment layers or layer blending modes inside the group will apply to layers outside the group. 1. Select a layer or group from the Layers panel. 2. Choose a blending mode. From the Layers panel, choose an option from the Blend Mode pop-up menu. Choose Layer, Layer Style, Blending options, and then choose an option from the Blend Mode pop-up menu. Blend and Fade filter effects. The Fade command changes the opacity and blending mode of any filter, painting tool, erasing tool, or color adjustment. The Fade command blending modes are a subset of those in the painting and editing tools options, excluding the behind and clear modes. Applying the Fade command is similar to applying the filter effect on a separate layer and then using the layer opacity and blending mode controls. 1. Apply a filter, painting tool, or color adjustment to an image or selection. 2. Choose Edit, Fade. Select the Preview option to preview the effect. 3. Drag the slider to adjust the opacity from 0% transparent to 100%. 4. Choose a blending mode from the Mode menu. Note: the Color Dodge, Color Burn, Lighten, Darken, Difference, and Exclusion blending modes do not work on lab images. 5. Click OK.